Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. May Allah bless you. And this beautiful piece of friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique ideas. I hope you will like it. It's that very beautifully and different unique new design and ideas. And viewers, I hope you will like it. It's that very beautiful piece of friends. I hope you will enjoy. It's very beautiful and hope you will enjoy my unique ideas. I hope you will enjoy. And friends, so I hope you will like it. Very interested and very fabulous. Unique new designs and very beautiful ideas. And friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique ideas. Very fantastic and different. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique ideas. It's that very beautiful Christmas decorations. So friends, I hope you will like it. It's that very beautiful and enjoy my unique ideas. It's that very stunning and fantastic. These ideas are very gorgeous and pretty collection. So friends, inshallah, I hope you will enjoy my unique ideas and hope you will like that. It's that very beautiful. And listen, so friends, and viewers, I hope you will like it. It's that very stunning and fashionable. And friends, so I hope you will like it. It's very beautifully. And friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique and very beautiful unique ideas. And viewers, I hope you will enjoy my unique, so very pretty and different. I hope you will enjoy my unique.